Hello, my name is Sam Ellis, and it's been a while since I've done a video online. But believe me, I've been very, very active in my business. And what you're going to find out is that I've created an amazing platform called Share to Scale. And I'm excited about Share to Scale, more excited about Share to Scale than many businesses I have created over the last 40 years. And why? Because I'm going to be able to share knowledge of success, knowledge that's going to be able to take you and me to a level in our life that we're going to be able to scale our business from our knowledge, from our passion, from our wisdom.
Sam Ellis introduces Share to Scale, a global company that produces transformation around the world through educational videos, training and development for entrepreneurs who want to turn their knowledge into profit. The Share to Scale platform accelerates the journey of uncertainty to certainty and gives you something that you have never had, gives you leadership, gives you direction, and gives you a platform to share your story, build your brand and grow your own community to scale and earn financial freedom with your own personal online business. Sam's wisdom has gone viral on social media, resulting in him impacting multiple hundreds of thousands of people. He is committed to your success and to help you grow through the trials and tribulations of becoming an online entrepreneur. Welcome to Share to Scale, where your success is our commitment to you.
That's why I'm excited about what's going on now in my life.
Welcome to the Sam Ellis.
You see, the scale is to establish a thriving community, sharing knowledge of success, a little bit of failure, right? Because you need to know what we made mistakes in along the way, so you don't do the same thing. But the focus really is on knowledge of success. Since 2013, I have established myself, I positioned myself as a leader in the online digital product creation, social media marketing, branding, and business leader. I pride myself of that. Many people call me a leader. And I like that title, and I own up to that. But most importantly, it's a person that loves sharing his knowledge to help other people win. And I must say that what we're striving for in the future is not to help you get rich or famous. You want to do that, that's your thing. It's up to you to do that. But to help you get to the point where you don't have to worry about taking care of your family or not having a job. You're going to be able to take your necessities in life because of the knowledge that you're going to learn from this community and from the products that's going to be created through individuals like you and me. I've learned 40 years of being in business that to establish generational success, not talking about success for a few years, or when you reach retirement, your business dies. If you have no way of keeping it moving and you continue making money, we are committed to creating such a community here at Share to Scale. We are committed to creating such a community that will serve you and be part of your journey to help you build your own profitable online business.
You may be wondering, what is Kajabi? Kajabi is an all-in-one business platform for knowledge entrepreneurs, or those who sell information products based on their expertise. The concept is simple. Use the tools provided by Kajabi to turn your knowledge into a digital product, offer it to your audience, and earn revenue. Kajabi offers an easy way to build, market, and sell online courses, membership sites, coaching programs, public or private podcasts, and more. Best of all, you won't need to worry about complicated tech hassles like coding, plugins, or broken integrations. What's included in the all-in-one platform? In addition to hosting your knowledge products, you get an elegant website builder, a secure payment gateway, email marketing software, sales funnel software, professionally designed website and email marketing templates, powerful analytics, and automations that streamline your workflow. Kajabi also has robust support and a community that can't be beat. Kajabi gives you 24/7 customer support, training resources through Kajabi University, and an active community of entrepreneurs to connect with. Kajabi has been around since 2010. In that time, we've helped tens of thousands of our customers, called Kajabi Heroes, build sustainable businesses selling what they know. We've also helped hundreds of knowledge entrepreneurs grow 7-figure businesses, and many more grow 5- and 6-figure businesses. To date, Kajabi Heroes have earned over $2.5 billion in revenue through our platform. Kajabi gives people the tools they need to successfully launch their own business, earn additional income, and obtain the lifestyle they've always wanted. Knowledge has value, and with Kajabi, you can turn that knowledge into income. Are you ready to get started building your own knowledge commerce business? Click the link in the description to start your free trial and check out our other videos for tutorials, tips, and Kajabi hero stories. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more.